Okay, as I was saying, this academy is one of the best learning platform out there, and it was voted among the top 100 startups in 2020. Yes, this is startup Istanbul, and this is the top 100, and this is the startups 2020 top 100 startups. You can see we have people from companies from Palestine, Ecuador, Pakistan, Nigeria, United Kingdom, Egypt, Turkey, Malaysia, Indonesia, Iran, Tanzania, Mexico, Philippines, Indonesia, and so on. And BS Academy, yes, BS Academy, Accra, Ghana is one of them. This is the launching of BS Academy in Ghana. It's listed as one of the best platforms in the world. So you can be part of this great family if you work hard, and it's not difficult. So basically, if you're a marketer, your work, as I said, is to introduce the system to students and parents. So first you need to know what system is. And as I explained in the first video, it's a learning platform. This learning platform helps students, first of all, to improve their memory. And after they have improved their memory, you can learn all the other subjects. In fact, you can learn all your subjects today if you want. But the main aim is to improve your memory so that you can remember what you are learning. Then also they use the quiz, empowerment, scholarship programs to reward student learning in the platform, which other students are already benefiting. So these are things you can use as marketing. If you meet the parents, Madam, I know there's no school because of this corona pandemic. Your child is in the house, or there's no school for your children are on vacation. Have a system that your children can use to learn while they're in the house. And it's called BS Academy. And the children can even win prizes from their quiz, from their empowerment, and can even get scholarship if he learns hard in their platform. So if the parent want to register, registering with your child too, you can tell, hey, you have a problem with mathematics, are you finding chemistry difficult or physics? So there's a system, BS Academy you can use and learn more. And that one is unique. You can also read from their quizzes, the empowerment, and all those things. If the person is interested and you want to enroll, you just log in. Into your affiliate dashboard with username or email address. That's you go to bsacademy.com and click on the affiliate dashboard, then you log in with username and password. If you have not registered, then you register here for this one and then you register. Then after some time your account will be activated. So this how once your account has been activated, you see your rates, you see the commissions, you see the recent commissions, you see the recent clicks, people that have visited through your link. If you don't know your link, you come here, you go to generate link. Then this is your unique link. This is your unique link that you use to register people. You have to give them this unique link, and the thing is, it's reoccurring. If you bring a student today and he enroll, you get payment from the child or student. Next month, he will renew by himself. Once he renews, you still get that commission. So if you get 20 students this month, and you get 20 students next month, the first thing you have is 40. they will subscribe and you get make money from all the 40. You get 20 next month, you have 60. Then you'll be growing. And as I said in the first video, if you do well and be among permanent staffs that will be working for the BS Academy, the empowerment and the quiz programs. So when you are starting, your first target is 50 students in a month, which is less than 2 students in a day. Yes, if you are thinking reaching 2 students in a day, you're going to have almost 60 students in a month. Yeah, so you have less than 2 students in a day to think, and you get paid for each student is 20% of everything they buy. It's instantly going to you. Then once you hit your target 3 times, you are put on a fixed salary, which means during the next month when you have not even paid, then you have an amount different from what the student will give you that the company is going to pay you fixed. Yes. Then those who do very well, hit above their target, will be picked permanently and they'll be working with the company in the offices in Accra, Kumasi, and then Tsunami. So you need to work out. So now the work to do is just generate your link, copy it. You tell people this is a platform that they can enroll their children to make money, to improve themselves. And then when they register, which is 2060, if they enroll into mathematics, they are getting the course that help them improve their memory free. But I'll talk about that one in the next video. But now, you know how you can generate your link, and also the app is on Play Store. You can go to Play Store and search for BS Academy and install. But before you tell a child to install the app, you have to make sure he has registered through your link so that it will be recorded in your name. And subsequently, any subscription he will do, it will be counted for you. Okay. I wanted to make the video, but let me complete it now. So now, in summary, your work is you meet a parent or a student, you tell them about BS Academy, how they will benefit, how they can improve their memory, and how they can learn all their subjects at ease from their house. Almost the average price of the courses is 20 cedis. So you are getting 20% of each payment for life. So if a child register to your link, make payments, is credited in your account. When we go to affiliate dashboard, you see everything, the statistics and everything there. So the system, the BS Academy also have the statistics of all the students, all people that are generating, bringing students for them, and those who are super active and who are doing very well are recruited permanently. For now, the work is online. You be in your house, you copy your link, you meet people in your home, friends, you tell them they register, get your commission. As you are doing it well, then you get the permanent trust of the student of the academy.